What is inside the Phibrows kit? In this video, I will explain the use of each product. But do you know which Phibrows pigment is good for which skin type? Stay till the end for a free guide on Phibrows pigments and a bonus video. For the best Phibrows microblading, permanent makeup training and treatment advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post new video every Wednesday. Hi, I am Taiyaba, first Phibrows Master in Canada. I will explain the use of each product, pigment and tool in this kit. So what we are waiting for? Let's open the kit. Alright, so let's see what we have inside. So here is the sheet which has all the pigments, tools, aftercare, practice skin, stroke marker, everything you have in your kit. And there are more products in the kit. Don't worry, I will explain everything what we have in the kit. We also have a sheet which explain how deep you should be working. At the back you will have all the pigments ingredients and also the stroke marker ingredients as well. You will also receive in your kit a copy of consent form. So you should make it your own. This is just an example. You can use it as is, but it's better to make a new consent form according to your practice. Alright, so now we go into more products explanation. This is a golden ratio divider. This we will be using to do level 1. How to do the shaping on a paper and how to do a shaping on a live model on a level 9. You have skin candy in your kit. This is the aftercare product which you should be giving it to your client after your procedure. It has instructions at the back and ingredients as well. You also have a self-adhesive pigment container. You have a pencil. This we use for shaping on a model. You have stroke marker. This is the stroke marker which you can use. If you're doing a client with more lighter colors, you can use this product. Leave it for like maybe a minute, remove it, and it's more visible. So it's easier to do second pass. You have practice skin. It has all the levels. So like you know, we say practice makes perfect, but I say right practice makes it perfect. So that's what we explain in craftmaster in each level, how to practice right. We have P wipes. This is a good product to use before you start your client. You can use this to clean your client's skin. Block Tonic wipes. This is also an excellent product. So if your client is bleeding a lot, you can use this wipe to clean the skin during your procedure. This helps to contract the blood vessels. Free wipes aftercare. This is the product which you should give to your client after you finish your procedure. This explains how many times they should be cleaning, which is at the back. All the instructions are at the back. There are instructions in the box also in different languages. You can give this aftercare wipes and skin candy together to your client because after wiping they should be using skin candy as aftercare. We have tweezer and scissors, obviously also an important tool to trim or maybe tweeze excess hair before you start your procedure. You will also receive a universal holder and a U-blade. In this pack you will receive 50 blades. These are all disposable. Are you a microblading artist and have used pigments which has turned into undesirable colors like red, green or purple? Then comment below yes. You have skin candy, anti-shock. You have 2 shades. You will also receive Topic. You also have skin candy scar protection. Eccentric disposable tool. This is one of the best tool in the world. It will create very fine strokes which will blend very naturally into the hair. And finally, one of the best pigment in the world. This is SUPE pigments. You will receive all the colors, and you will also receive premium colors. You have all the shades you need. With these 3 premium colors, you can make 100 of shades. All products are available on our online store, which is phibrowscanada.ca. Now you know what you will receive in your kit with Phibrows online training and live training. With this kit, you can do 70 clients. But do you know which pigment is good for which client or how to sharpen your pencil? I have created a free pigment guide and a video to explain how to sharpen your Phibrows pencil. If you like this video, please let me know by liking and subscribing. And share with someone who is interested in using Phibrows pigments and tools and interested in taking microblading course. If you have any questions about products in the kit or Phibrows microblading training, please let me know in the comment below. See you next week.